Welcome to Tech Facile Zone. Today I am going to make a video on how to make e-pass for vehicles amid lockdown in Kolkata. So let us start the video. So friends, you have to open the Chrome browser and you have to type here Kolkata Police. You just have to type certain keywords, not that full COVID police e-pass for COVID. It will open another website. So you just have to write Kolkata Police. So I'm going to write Kolkata Police and you just have click on search button. If you click on the search button, in the first section there comes Kolkata Police. You just have to click on Kolkata Police. There's an interface and a page is loaded. So here you can see here vehicular extension pass for essential service providers. So this is the link for it. So you just have to click on it. So I'm going to click on it. If you click on it and another page is opened, so you have to see certain things which are very important. First of all, you can see here log on to the http coronapass.kolkatapolice.org. So this link is given in the description box. You don't have to hustle for that. You just have to go to the description and click on this link and this page will open. So in the next section you can see fill the online application form. You just have to fill the application form, and in the third you can see here receive the QR code enabled extension pass on your email via SMS. So if when you are going to complete the application form, a QR code enabled extension pass it will be received on your email via SMS. Okay, you just have to download the pass and display it at the picket checking point. So whenever a police approaches you or just stops your vehicles, you just have to show that pass and he will let you go. So in the sixth you can see the pass with QR code shall be valid for the prescribed route, area and period section. So the route you choose in the application form, it is just applicable to that. And for the period sanction, if you take that pass for 10 days, it will be valid for 10 days, not above that. So here you can see I agree. You just have to click on the I agree button and it will load another page and interface the application form. So here you have to click on given two options, individual, organization. If you work as an individual, you have to click on the individual button, but if you work for certain company or certain purposes, you just have to click on organization. So I'll click. So I'm going to click on individual and show you certain interfaces. So here you just have to write your application name, your full name. Here in the second option you just to have address. It is compulsory. Wherever you just see a red star, it is compulsory. So address, you just to write your purpose. If I click on the purpose, you just see construction activities, emergency duties. If you do any construction activities, you are eligible. Emergency duty like in medical or somewhere else. Essential supply of food. If you work in Zomato or certain food delivery companies, you are applicable to apply for this form. And here in third we can see essential supply of groceries. So if you work for any groceries company, you can also apply here. Essential supply of medicine, private offices, standalone shop, e-commerce delivery. So if you have standalone shops like of any uh, commercial uses, you have to buy the products, so you are also eligible. So here we'll select any one. So if I select emergency duties, so here you have to write the mobile number. So you have to write the mobile number which is active or which has recharged. So the OTP will come here and the message and the e-pass will be downloaded through via message or via email. So you have to write the email also. And the vehicle type, the four-wheeler, good wheels, you have to just write in it. It is not this pass is not applicable for motorbikes, two-wheelers. So we have two options here, four-wheeler and good vehicles. And you have to write the vehicle number, source originating address, destination. You are just like you are in Kolkata starting from Bhawanipur, so you have to write here Bhawanipur, your home address, and you have to go to Tirati or somewhere else in Kolkata. You just have to write terminating address. the source or destination where you have to go. So in the third in this source originating PS, police station, if you stay in Alipur or Baliganj, you just have to click the police station of your address. So we'll click on Alipur. Destination, so in anywhere else, Behala, Beliaghatta, where you have to go for the work, so you have to click on that police station there, the address police station. So we'll click on anyone. So area route of operation, so you have just have to click on area route of operation, and here you have to upload Aadhaar card ID proof, or you work for certain companies like any company has their ID card, so you just have to upload it, and the maximum JPG size will be 100 KB. You just have to adjust it. So upload purpose and specific supporting document, so you have to write the purpose and specific supporting documents like the e-way bill of your goods vehicle or something else. If you work for any medicine supply, so you have just to give a file for that supporting document. And for this last process, you just have to write a form. For example, today is 21 May and you have to work till 30 May or 29 May, so you have to write to date, and here TELT, here is given the captcha. If it is capital, you have to write capital, and if it is small letter, you have to write in small letters. So here you have to click on I shall not operate commute in the containment zones. So the government of West Bengal has determined certain contaminant zones, so you just to have give support to not go in the containment zones, and here in the last you have to just submit. When you submit it so in the last process, the application form will be submitted to Kolkata police, and after verification they will send you to the email or the given mobile number. So this is the process how to fill up the application form for e-pass for vehicular purposes amid lockdown in Kolkata. So we'll be back again with a new video, so stay tuned to my channel and give a thumbs up to this videos if you like the videos, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content. We'll meet you again with the next video.